Hi, and welcome to this overview of the Microsoft Live at EDU email. What I'm going to be talking to you about is how to navigate the Outlook web app and show you some of the functions, features, and benefits for using your Live Mail account.
To access your student email, you can do that by accessing the T-Wolf portal. If you're not sure how to access the T-Wolf portal, there is a short video tutorial on how to do that. From the T-Wolf portal, click on Email. It's going to take you to this screen. You're going to click New Microsoft Live at EDU email. From this screen, type in your full email address and password.
This is a window that should pop up once you've logged in. This is your email inbox. The first thing that I'm going to show you is the Help option. This little gray circle right here with the question mark in it is the Help option. Click it and select Help to open this window. Use this for any questions you have. If there's something you want to learn that's not covered in detail in this overview, it'll be here. Next, I'm going to show you how to set things up so they are more personalized to you, which will help a bit with the web app efficiency. As you can see here with this email, you can preview the email right here on the right side. You can also set it up so that it's on the bottom or not at all by clicking the View option right here and selecting right, bottom, or off. I like to have mine on the right side. Next, you might notice that I have some graphics up here. Click Options and you can select the theme, or you can see all the options. In this window, you can see email from all your accounts in one place, or you can connect your accounts in order to do that. You can set an auto response, forward your email, change your password, or import contacts. You can organize your email by clicking the Organize Email option right here. This is what you'll use if you want to create rules for where to route incoming email into certain folders. You can create groups, change your settings, add your phone, or change your junk mail settings. Okay, we're going to go back by clicking this back arrow key. There's a couple of ways to navigate your inbox. You have your inbox here, and you have your contacts options here, and you can minimize those. You can come down to the bottom and click this row of dots right here to expand this upward. But the options you have here are viewing your inbox, viewing your calendar, viewing your contacts, or viewing and adding your tasks. You can also view some of these by clicking the Mail option right up here, and it shows your inbox, calendars, and contacts, or you can send a new email. Okay, the next thing I'm going to talk to you about is the Skydrive.
To access the Skydrive, click the Office option up here and select Your Documents. Skydrive is a great tool to upload files or create Microsoft Office Word and Excel documents, PowerPoint presentations, or OneNote workbooks. It's also a great tool for sharing files and documents and collaborating with others in groups. In order to collaborate with others, you need to add those that you're going to be working with to your contacts. To do that, go over to the left to the Add Contacts option and click it to open this window. Type in the email address of the person that you would like to be adding to your contacts. You can hit Enter or click the Invite button, and that'll add them right here, and they will receive an email inviting them to accept your request. Now let's head over to the Skydrive. The first thing we're going to learn is how to upload files or documents to your Skydrive. By clicking the Upload option, a window will open and you can browse your computer for the file you would like to upload. I have a document right here. Double click it and you'll see down here it'll say Done when the file is finished uploading. And it shows up right here in your files. The next thing we're going to learn is how to create a document. By selecting the Create option right here, you can choose from Microsoft Word document, Excel, PowerPoint, or OneNote. We're going to create a Word document and call it Test. It opens up the Word web app, and here you can begin typing and creating your Word document. Click the Save button up here when you're done, and click this X button at the top right here next to the Sign Out, and that will take you back to your files. And you can see right here the test document that we created is right here. Come over to the left and click the Files option. here you can see all your documents are stored here, your pictures, and your public file is right here. Your shared folder shows you all the files you're sharing, and of course your recent document shows you all the documents that you opened recently. We're going to go back into the Documents folder, and we're going to share a file. Right-click on the file, and it opens this option window. Select Share, and type in the email address of the person you would like to share the document with. You can include a message if you like. Right here you can select or deselect whether the recipient that you're sending the file to can either view or they can edit the document you're sending, and select Share. Now we're going to create a folder. In order to do this, you need to make sure that you've either selected Documents, Pictures, or Public. We're going to select Documents. We're going to go up to the top, and we're going to select Create, and select the folder option. And we're going to name the folder Test Folder. Hit Enter. With this folder, we can add any document or file we want to it, and we can share the entire folder with someone. In order to share that, you can either click this box right here, and a new set of options opens up, or you can right-click and select one of the options right here, and click Share, type in the email address, recipients cannot edit, and select Share. Now we're going to learn about groups. The Groups option is over here on the left. Click on the Groups option, and this opens up. Select Create Group. In order to create a new group, you can create your group name. We'll call this Test Group 4. And we scroll down to the bottom here and enter in the email address of the people we want to add to the group. Click Create. And you'll see Test Group 4 shows up under the list of groups on your left side here. I'm going to click on Test Group 4, and this is where all the files are stored. So here you can do the same thing as you did in your Files option and create documents or add documents. You can modify your group settings by clicking Group Actions, View the Group Profile, or Group Options right here. After clicking Group Options, notice the web address that's located right here. This is a link that'll take you directly to your group. Okay, now we're going to navigate back to the Skydrive. We're going to go up to the top left corner and select the arrow key, and we can go back to our inbox or click Skydrive on the right. Another thing that's important when collaborating with others is the chat option. From the Skydrive, click the little emoticon option right here to access the chat option from the Skydrive. Click this little box right here, and anyone who is online, you can start chatting with. You can also chat with anyone that's in your contacts via your web app inbox. The green box by the name shows that this person is online. Double-click the box to open up a chat window. The number that shows up right here shows you the notifications you have, whether it's a task, an event, or someone chatting with you. Just remember, anytime you add a contact, create a group, or share a file, an email is sent to the person you're working with, and they have to view and accept your request before anything can happen. Okay, this concludes our Windows Live at EDU Outlook web app and Skydrive tutorial from the Instructional Technology Center.